guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick little St. Patrick's Day look. I know a lot of people go to like St. Patrick's Day parties and parades, so I thought I would just do my own little swing at the St. Patrick's Day look. I'm not going to lie, I struggled so much with this look because one, I barely had any greens to work with, and I don't know, it just took me a long time to get this, and I think it's decent, but it's not the best thing I've ever done. But yeah, I don't know, I just did it for fun. Why not? St. Patrick's Day is this weekend. I do videos every Wednesday, and yeah, that's that. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to, or don't, and let's get right into it. So first, just starting off with a single shadow by Urban Decay called Mildew, and I'm putting that in my crease and blending it out. Next, I'm just going on my lid with the ABH Aurora Glow Kit green highlighter, and then I'm just blending that all together. And then from the same highlighter palette, I'm taking the silver highlighter and putting that in my inner corner. Next, I'm just drawing on a wing, and I use the ABH Liquid Lip Kit to mix this color, and I'm just creating a wing with an angled brush. And then to darken up the wing a little bit, I put over top a Jaclyn Hill shadow, the emerald shade. Just pack that on and kind of made like an ombre effect with the darker wing going into like the lighter green. And then I'm just highlighting with that green highlighter from the ABH Glow Kit. And then I'm just putting some Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Celebrity Skin on my lips. And then I'm just drawing a little 4-leaf clover, 3-leaf clover with that same lipstick. Kind of looks like broccoli, but that's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching this little tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!